big fish.
Oh my God, that's so big. Mommy!
Oh.
Daddy!
Opo, laki.
Daddy!
Sabi mo kay mami.
Mama!
Ulam? Ulam.
Mama,
Oh.
yung fish mo nag-bump.
Nag-bump yung mga fish.
Dito sa mga Kaya ulam.
Ano po?
Kaya ulam.
Parang ulam.
Yung big, big, big.
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 Ah, parang kay Blippi. Oh, pasok doon, dali. Go.
Bakit kita pinapay?
Ay, sorry. Kylie, usog doon. Doon. Walk. Ayan. Calvin, baka mahulog ka.
Look at the high.
Wow, there's a lot of stingray.
Look at that stingray.
Oh,
It's fake.
nandiyan pala sila. Ayun, ang dami.
Look at mga face sila, yun ang...
Opo. Ayun, shark kay Papa Buso. Ate.
Look at that shark.
What's that, Calvin?
Big shark.
What?
Ayan, shark.
Ayun, shark.
Yung happy ka?
Bitan!
What's that?
Mama, bitan!
Big shark?
Big shark? Papa!
Tuwa.
Big shark. Happy?
This one is very big now. Patay?
Hindi, sleep yata.
Ano naamak siya?
Ha?
Bakit siya yung mama?
Opo.
Pig.
Pa?
Pig, pig.
Ay, pet mo.
No, wait, one done.
Opo.
Ayan! Ah, so big!
Oh. Tawagin mo, shark. Kylie, dandahan na. Ayaw gumalaw ng big shark.
Kumalaw yung big shark. Kumalaw yung ano niya.
Di ayaw niya mag-swim, nandun lang siya nagre-rest.
Ito gumagalaw. Pinhead niya nang gumagalaw. Oh, this one is this one.
Ano?
gentlemen, we will be...
Wow, what a beautiful era! Good day everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Taylor Beach, and I'd like you to meet my sea lion first, together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here. And about the third trainer, she is the BTS. Wow, confident! Her name is Isis, together with trainer Mikey. Say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And about the third winner, she is the cutest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Ira. Together with her dad, say hello. Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea why they're called queen or feather-footed balmamas? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their broad flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term Philippines may also be translated as wing-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they're pretty flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right, children? And if you know, they're often mistaken like a seals because they move very much alike. But some differences between a seal and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers red. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another sea lion brand. And as you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers have the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Ooh, nice one. Hey! They can also use their whiskers to aid navigation or to detect radiation from space. In the wild, they inhabit mountains along the shore, flat walking lakes with tide pool, and harbor weapons for rocky beaches. They have excellent climb ability, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. So these are rock flippers. Now, let's talk about the women beauties and start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the moving movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. Well then, other part. Ready guys? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 7. This time, could you please join us in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. So trainers, at first, the risk. Go ahead and get risk, children. And they got it. Our first from sea lion man. Good job, ladies. And another one. Okay, swimmers. What's next? The balls. How do you think they get the balls? It's a Now this time, would you like to share that number? Hey, please take a turn in. Come on, trainers. And around the world we go. Drop your hand. And on the other side, drop your hand. Come on, ladies. Don't let down. Boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie. Shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part, now boogie shake. Shake those boogies. Get by. Keep on moving. Okay, ladies. Don't be a bad one. Keep on the job. Better around. And this is the best part. And then, arriba. And go down, we got it. Steady and go. Viva! Now, when we're at the controversial, when the trainers actually go that way,
Kylie, huwag mag ano. Baka mawala kayo. Balik ka na, hawak na kay Papa. Doon tayo doon, madami pa doon. Let's go. What? What's that? Huh? Turtle.
Yung neck niya po lumalaki, no?
Oh, haba ng neck na.
Ano ko, haba. Itlip. Ano, mama? Hey,
Uy.
wake up.
Parang nakakaway yun.
Wake up, Sarila. Sabi na, wake up.
Wake up.
Color orange.
What? Wow!
Where is you?
Saan po? Ayun nga no. Turtle.
Ikan kita.
Oh my god! It's gonna fall. That's mine.
Ayun, big spider.
Baka may mga spider, oh.
What's that, Bambin?
Family ka. Ito yung turtle.
Saan?
Dito yung turtle. Ano?
Cute.
Parang rock na siya, no?
Para din siyang rock. Ang kulit niya, no? Galaw siya ng galaw. Picture ka dyan, Kai. What's that, Kai?
Snake, asan yung snake?
Yay. Ano siya? Ha?
Oh my God.
What? Gabin, where's the snake? Uy, what? Pakabi ka.
May naman ang ano, mama?
Ah, may owl nga, no? Ano? Lagot ka, Calvin. Hindi. Puro tulog.
Kento animal, snow flash.
Oh my God. What's that?
Sabi mo kay mami. Mami.
What's that, Bambi? Snake?
Cobra.
Puro sleep sila, no?
Bakit tayo?
Yak, nakakatakot. Ah. Ah. Oh, exit doon. Exit. Wow, ang dami. Ay, aba, nagmamarch. Bambi, picture ka, Bambi.